Hi guys, my name is Aki. Today we're doing an ed-free episode and we're going to be talking to some of our developers. So what you're going to hear about is how we actually go from the planning phase into developing and building these Robo-Advisor projects and Robo-Advisor products.
My name is Matt. I'm one of the software developers at Bamboo. I specialize in front-end development, and I've been with Bamboo for around 4.5 years.
My name is Yusuf, and I'm the mobile development lead at Bamboo. And I've been here for about 3 years, working on front-end technologies, basically web development, and a heavy focus on mobile development.
First of all, I think at Bamboo we do project and product, but I think in terms of the development process itself, both are adopting the same methodology and same protocol. We do have peer review to determine the quality of the code, and we also have this thing called Sonar Cloud that will enable us to analyze the code itself, the security, the hotspots and all. Bamboo's tech stack consists of JavaScript-based framework. So we do use React.js for the front-end library and Node.js for the back-end. We also have Python for a more computationally heavy processes of calculations. And we deploy our solutions to AWS.
POCs is something that we do very often. And this is usually either at the introductory phase with a client or even during the process development cycle, even at the term of maturity. So a POC is a proof of concept. It's where we will have either a feature set, or an initial MVP product that we build from the ground up to display something in real time. So it's not necessarily a fully finished item that we deliver, but it is something that helps us either sell a feature or decide whether a feature is something that makes sense or not. The development process over the past few years has been a pretty interesting one. So in the beginning, we were very developer-centric. The group of people would come around and discuss the requirements that we need to build. We would probably come up with a few POCs, examples, and display those to the clients. But naturally, over time, the process has become more improved in the sense that we have structure. So while we retained our agility as developers, we're still producing POCs as necessary, we're also still having the daily discussions. We now also have proper teams for requirements, we have proper teams for project management, and most importantly, we have proper proper client-facing individuals in the teams. So when it comes to the development process itself, one of the things that we have been moving towards is a lot more automation so that the developers are focusing on solving problems rather than daily challenges of syntax. We've also been looking into innovative ways to automate a lot of what we do. We've also been looking into ways that our developers can superpower themselves. And one of those ways is getting our guys onto something referred to as GitHub Copilot, which generally automates, if not greatly assists, a developer in their day-to-day coding. So rather than the manual task of trying to remember documentation and trying to create solutions to yourselves, you can create a high-level solution in your mind, and then you work with GitHub Copilot to bring that into reality. And that is really a game changer.
So now we have a Robo-Advisor that's been built, but we still don't know if it actually works. So the next phase is actually to look at quality assurance, where we can test it.